Okay, so next up is Fe2 plus solution. So as you can see, Fe2 plus solution is generally pale green in color. So first up, I'm going to add in a few drops of sodium hydroxide. And you can see that a dirty green precipitate is formed. This dirty green precipitate is iron 2 hydroxide. Okay, and now I will add in excess sodium hydroxide. And you can see that the dirty green precipitate remains insoluble even in excess sodium hydroxide. Okay, so next I'm going to add in a few drops of aqueous ammonia. And as you can see, there's formation of a dirty green precipitate, which is also iron 2 hydroxide. And now when I add it in excess, the dirty green precipitate remains insoluble as well. So for Fe2 plus ions, it forms a dirty green precipitate that remains insoluble in excess sodium hydroxide as well as aqueous ammonia.